Right, I'm here to show you how to stop your toilet from continually running. So in my instance, I can't get on video right now because I've turned the mains off and back on. But basically, this inlet is my main water inlet, and this one is my rainwater. Many of you may not even have a rainwater one, that's totally normal. But for my main water one, what's happening is this was stuck at the bottom because this arm was seized and the water was continually filling in here and it was going down the overflow. For some other people, you might have a pipe that overflows outside and it's continually leaking outside. So what was happening was this was being stuck underwater because this bit of the arm had seized. I fixed that, I thought, and then 10 minutes later, it's just continually running again. So the first thing to do is I've got an isolation valve down here. I'm going to turn that off, and then I'm going to disconnect this. I won't film turning it off, but I'll film turning the isolation valve back on if you want to know what it looks like. So first things first. Perfect. That valve has been isolated. Next thing, I'm going to disassemble this by literally rotating this and taking it out. Be careful, there's a rubber piece of rubber inside of here that you need to catch, make sure it doesn't drop. So let's go off. Catch it, he says. He goes and drops it like a nugget. Oh no, it's stuck on there. You can see it there. Even better. It's not wanting to come out. There we go. Right, let me put this in the sink and then I'll get it off with the other hand. It's normally just this bit, but fine. We've got these two bits here, so let's give them a clean. So with this, you just want to give it all a good clean. A good clean. And for this bit, make sure that arm's being rotated. And if you've got any, say, bleach spray or anything, or even just a bit of hand wash will do. Give that a clean wash with it. Right. So basically, it's gonna fit this back in, screw that back on, and all should be good. Right, first things first, as I said, put this back in there. It would help if I had it the right way, wouldn't it? Bosh, even better. in. Line that one back up. It's got grooves. You may or may not be able to see them. Holding that on with, say, applying pressure that way. Get that on. Job's a good one. And for those of you who want to see what the isolation valve looks like. And basically you can see it's just off horizontal. Horizontal's closed, and if it's with the pipe, so running with the pipe, is fully open. And I've just got it just off of horizontal to the pipe. So that means it's only just open.